Good day, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into an essential visa for skilled workers looking to move to New Zealand, the Accredited Employer Work Visa, or the AEWV. This visa is a game changer for both international talent and New Zealand employers. So, whether you're an aspiring migrant or a business owner, this video has everything you need to know. Introduced in 2022, the AEWB was designed to streamline the process for skilled workers looking to enter New Zealand. As of mid August 2024, Immigration New Zealand has approved over 124,000 AEWB applications, with more than 35,000 accredited employers ready to hire international talent. So, what exactly is the AEWB? It's a temporary visa that allows New Zealand employers accredited by Immigration New Zealand to hire skilled foreign workers where there's a shortage of local expertise. This visa essentially replaced older categories like the Essential Skill Visa, making it easier for both employers and applicants. Let's break down some key features of the AEWV. Employer accreditation. Only accredited employers can offer jobs that qualify for the AEWV. Accreditation ensures that these employers meet strict criteria, including good workplace practices and a commitment to hiring New Zealanders where possible. Job offer requirement. As an applicant, you must have a genuine job offer from an accredited employer. Skill level and pay rate. The job must meet minimum pay thresholds and be classified under specific skill levels as outlined by Immigration New Zealand. These features ensure that the AEWV benefits both New Zealand's economy and international workers by managing high standards across the board. Now, let's talk about the specific requirements for both employers and applicants under the AEWV. For employers, the AEWV requires the following: accreditation. Employers must be accredited by Immigration New Zealand, which involves meeting criteria related to workplace practices, financial stability, and commitment to hiring local workers where possible. Job advertisement. Employers generally need to advertise the position in New Zealand to prove that there are no suitable local candidates available. This is part of what's known as the job check process. Compliance. Employers must comply with all New Zealand employment laws and demonstrate good workplace practices. As for applicants, here's what you'll need to qualify for the AEWV. Job offer. You must have a genuine job offer from an accredited employer. Skills and qualifications. You must possess the relevant skills and qualifications for the job, which must be classified as a medium or high skilled occupation according to Immigration New Zealand guidelines. Health and character. You must meet health and character requirements, which typically involve medical examinations and police clearance certificates. English language proficiency. For roles at ANSCO skill level 4 and 5, you'll need to demonstrate English language proficiency, typically through exams like the IELTS. Let's walk through the application process step by step. First, the employer must be accredited by Immigration New Zealand. This means they've proven their ability to meet New Zealand's employment standards and are authorized to hire foreign workers. Once accredited, the employer needs to pass a job check. This step ensures that the job you're being offered meets New Zealand's skill and pay thresholds and that no local workers are available to fill the positions. Next, you can submit your AEWV application. This involves submitting personal documents including proof of identity, qualifications, health and character evidence. Immigration New Zealand will review your application. If everything checks out, your visa will be approved, allowing you to work for an accredited employer in New Zealand. The AEWV typically allows you to work in New Zealand for up to 3 years, depending on your employment contract. After this period, you may apply for residency or renew your visa depending on your circumstances. Now let's talk about the cost and processing times. The application fee for the AEWV is New Zealand dollars 750, and you may need to budget around New Zealand dollars 400 for e-medicals if required. There are changes to the application fees effective the 1st of November 2024. The good news is that Immigration New Zealand processes 90% of applications within 51 weekdays, with straightforward cases often completed in just 14 days. So make sure to plan accordingly and keep these timelines in mind when submitting your application. While the AEWV is a great opportunity, there are some challenges to be aware of. Employer accreditation. Gaining accreditation can be a lengthy process for employers, involving strict compliance with workplace standards. Market testing. Employers must prove they've tried to hire locally first, which can be challenging in industries with severe skill shortages. Visa renewal. AEWV holders need to be mindful of the visa conditions and plan ahead for renewals or transitions to residency. It's important for both employers and workers to stay informed and prepared to navigate these challenges. The Accredited Employer Work Visa is a crucial tool for addressing skills shortages in New Zealand and offers a valuable opportunity for skilled workers to build a future here. Whether you're an employer or potential migrant, understanding the AEWV process is key to making the most of this opportunity. For more information, I recommend you visit the New Zealand immigration website. We'll leave a link in the description for your reference. If you require assistance or guidance with your AEWV or New Zealand residence visa or any other immigration matter, connect with us using the contact details on screen. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on immigration policies and other insightful content. And don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.